Hi, I'm Dee, and welcome to another episode of Tiny Tidy Tuesday.
Encouraging others with hope and positivity as a family caregiver to my mom, aka Queen G, and as a full-time stay-at-home homemaker. A variety of videos sharing caregiving tips, cooking, gardening, decluttering, cleaning, hauls, meal planning, always in my planner, chatting, and sometimes a burst of laughs. Let's face it, things happen in life, so why not make it lovely?
Actually, it is Tuesday. It's Tuesday, September 5th, I think, September 5th. Yesterday was a Labor Day weekend, and well, we didn't do much at all. I didn't do any cleaning. So today I wanted to take time to do a tiny tidy because that's all I have. I need to reserve my energy for my mom, Queen G, who I take care of full time as her caregiver. And so I have plans to give her a sponge bath, shampoo her hair, and then take her to go get her hair cut later on. I really don't want to get into a deep cleaning or something where I know I'm just going to be exhausted of the rest of my energy. So right now, since I woke up super early this morning, I am transferring Queen G's laundry into the dryer. So let's get started. I'm going to tackle just one little area of her bedroom. I need to straighten it up, tidy it up, and then dust it, and then we're good for today. This laundry I started like an hour ago, so it's just time for me to transfer it all into the dryer. I just gave my mom some toast. That's all she wanted for breakfast, and her orange juice.
This area is like a catch-all for me while caring for my mom. I try to keep it organized at all times to make my job less stressful. Someday, I really wanted to get her like a dresser and then maybe get her one of those armoires to hang up her clothes, but I don't think it's necessary at this moment since we're planning to move soon. Like I said, it was Labor Day weekend this weekend, and we enjoyed our weekend not cleaning. So today, I knew exactly what needed to be tidied. My mom is eating her breakfast as we chit-chat watching Hoda and Jenna. I use a lazy Susan to keep some of her necessities that she uses, and it's definitely time to go through this and see what needs to be kept and what needs to be tossed. I also need to take everything out and deep clean it as well, but like I said, this is just a tiny tidy today. Oh yes, we use a lot, I mean a lot of washcloths as caregivers. If you're a caregiver, you know. I like to buy those in bulks at Costco, and I need to keep them organized and ready to grab throughout the day. I had decluttered a lot in here for her because of the small space, but I guess I left this little trinket my best friend gifted her. I need to find a better place for it. Then I decided to take everything out or off and give this a good dusting. My mom, Queen G's cat, Kitty, passed away this year. I had kept her cards close to my mom to keep her in good spirits. But I think it's time to go through them and place them in her keepsake bin. She does enjoy receiving and reading all of the cards you send. Thank you. I'm still decluttering and raising funds to help pay off the remaining balance of Kitty's vet bill. So, that means more decluttering videos coming soon. So make sure to hit that bell for notifications and click on that subscribe button. This Tiny Tidy Tuesday is part of an open collaboration hosted by my dear friend Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home, who shares a weekly playlist of our Team Tiny Tidy, as well as some weekly guests. You'll want to check out this week's playlist as our Tiny Tidy team has grown. A lot of new channels to check out and a lot of Tiny Tidy motivation for you. If you are doing a Tiny Tidy this week, let us know what you're tidying today in the comments below. For my mom, I like to play music. It is key in her recovery. It can really calm her or get her going during some of her exercises. It's awesome. I also like to make sure she has some of her favorite pictures around her, which reminds me that I need to place an order to print out new pictures. Where do you like to print out your pictures? Let me know in the comments. These here need to be relocated and others tossed out. And then all this is going to go in her keepsake bin for Queen G. Now that looks better. Thanks for watching. Until the next one. Bye.